Good morning student, welcome back to the online classes for Triveni Memorial School. So today we will be studying our next chapter, that is chapter number 21 for class 3rd in environmental studies, that is natural resources and pollution. So these are the two important things that we have to discuss in this chapter, what all things comes under natural resources, and we will understand about the different types of pollution. So let's begin here. So first of all, you have to understand natural things are provided to us by the nature. So it includes soil, water, coal, petroleum, air, and there are various other examples here. Sunlight is also there, wood is also there, wind, petroleum, soil, water. These all things which are provided to us by the nature, that is considered as natural resources. Okay. So there are certain natural resources, as you can see, coal and petroleum. These are being used in large quantities and may soon get finished. Okay, so these two are these are natural resources which are used as fuels, and petroleum gives on refining. It is extracted from the earth, deep inside the earth, and this petroleum is refined in oil refineries, and we obtain petrol, kerosene, diesel, various other gases from the petroleum on refining. So as you people are aware, this coal and petroleum, they are used as fuels and they are used in large quantities. So if they are not used properly, or if we didn't avoid wasting them, then time will come that these natural resources will be finished one day. So we have to be very careful while using these natural resources which are limited in supply. Next is pollution. So what is pollution, student? So humans have added harmful substances to the air, water and land. So these are the various, humans are responsible in adding various harmful pollutant. Those substances are pollutant being added in the natural resources, like it can be air, water and land, and because of these harmful substances which are being added in the environment, in natural resources, they are causing the environment dirty. They are making them dirty because of addition of these harmful substances. So that is called as pollution. Okay. So first of all, if we discuss about water pollution, that is polluting, adding harmful substances in the water that makes it polluted, that is water pollution. So let us see here in the diagram, as you can see, the humans are directly, indirectly the main responsible which are causing the various pollution. So as you can see, the first reason why water pollution is caused is that factories throwing the dirty water. So these factories, they build nearby water sources like river, pond, lake, etc. And these water, dirty water is being released from these factories into these water sources like your river, you can see here. The second reason is that the dirty water of the gutters is also released out in the water body. That is another cause. The next one, you can see a man is throwing the garbage directly into the water sources. The next reason is that man washing the clothes. So they are generally washing the clothes in these rivers only. The next is man giving the bath to animals. So as you can see, the animals are given bath in these water bodies. So humans are whole soul responsible for causing the water pollution. Mainly they causes the water pollution and the rest of the pollution. So as you can see, the first topic here is the causes of water pollution. So water pollution causes because of the various reasons, like dirty water, the sewage water which is coming from the houses goes into the river. The next is harmful waste from the factories are thrown into the river. That is another reason. Washing clothes on the river bank, generally done by the people who are living in that surrounding. The next is animal bathing in river and ponds. Okay. So what we can do to avoid this? So we should stop the activities which are mentioned above to avoid water pollution. So you should not, you should not perform such kind of activities which will ultimately lead to water pollution. So avoiding these activity can check somehow the water pollution. Okay. The next is your air pollution. So harmful substances when added, pollutant added into the air, that causes air pollution. So what are the various reasons? So first reason is the burning of coal and petrol in the factories and home causes the air pollution. This is the first reason. And next is the smoke which is produced by car, buses and other motor vehicle also causes the air pollution. So you might have seen while traveling, you might have seen that a huge amount of smoke is being produced by the various car, buses and motor vehicles. So as you can see here in the diagram, this child is standing here and you can see the smoke which is coming from the factories, the smoke which is coming from these burning fuels from the vehicle, that causes the various health related, lungs related, respiratory related problems to the humans, as well as it is quite harmful for the animals and plants as well. So this is how air pollution is caused. The next is your noise pollution. So if you talk about noise pollution here, so look at the picture. The child is standing here and he has closed his ears because the loud noise, loud sound is considered as noise, and here humans are basically the reason why the noise pollution is being caused. So first of all, first reason for causing the noise pollution is that the noise produced by the motor vehicle like the car, buses, trucks and powerful motorcycles causes the noise pollution. This is the one reason, basic reason, because of the honking of the vehicles, the sound which is coming from the engines of those vehicles, they are causing the noise pollution. And second reason for that is the sound which is produced by loudspeaker also causes the noise pollution. So loudspeaker, people generally on various occasions, on celebrations occasion, they are playing very loud music, so that is also causing a noise pollution. Okay. So what we can do here, student, we must try hard to stop all kind of pollution. In this way we can save our environment. Okay, so here we should plant more and more trees. You should keep your surrounding clean. Planting more and more trees also reduces the noise pollution, and whenever you are traveling to a short distance, going to nearby places, you can use bicycle or you can go on foot, so that is also causing less pollution. One thing that you have to remember here is the World Environment Day. Every year World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. Remember, this date is important. Now moving on to the exercise part, the first multiple choice question here is, most of the pollution is caused by whom? As I've repeated again and again, the whole soul responsible. Mostly the pollution are being caused by the humans. Okay. The next is fill in the blanks. Some natural resources are being used in large quantities. Okay. The next is waste thrown from the factory causes water pollution. Okay. The adding harmful substances into the water, that is the waste which is thrown from the factories, causes water pollution. The next is section B here. Noise pollution affects our what? Ears. They damage generally our ears. Next is the factory throwing dirty water in the river causes dash pollution. So water is being released from the factory, so it is generally causing which type of pollution? Water pollution. Now very short answer type of question here is, first of all you have to tell any two natural resources. You can name any one of them: soil, water, coal, petroleum. These are the various examples. You can remember any two. Now next is name two types of pollution. If you say there are air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution is also there, that you will learn that in higher classes in detail. So remember any three types of these pollution. Now next short answer type of question, if you look here, why should we plant more trees? So planting trees is highly important. Why we should do that? Because trees clean the air, so it will reduce the air pollution. Next, it will also reduce the noise pollution. So planting trees are very, very important. Next is, how is noise pollution caused? What are the various reasons which causes the noise pollution? So noise pollution is caused by motor vehicles like cars, buses, truck and powerful motorcycle, as well as the loudspeaker honking of the vehicle. So these all are basically the causing the noise pollution. The next is your last one, long answer type of question. So here you have to understand how can we prevent the water pollution. So what ways we can acquire in order to prevent the water pollution. So first of all, what we can do, by stopping the discharge of sewage from the homes which goes into the river. So first you can avoid this. Second thing what you can do, by not throwing the harmful waste from the factories into the river, we should avoid this also. Next is by avoiding washing washing clothes, utensil and bathing on the river bank. So this is also causing water pollution, so you should not perform this kind of activity. Next is by not bathing animal in the rivers and the ponds. Okay, so I hope you have understood the various kind of pollution and the natural resources. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.